Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss about the enumeration. Okay, so enumeration is also known as the enum. Okay, it's known as the enum. Okay, so why we are using enum, where you want to use, okay, that we will see all things with the help of some program or example. We will understand why we are using enum, where we have to use enum. Okay, and why what is enum. Okay, so basically enum is user defined data type. Okay, and it is one type of keyword, like how we used a structure, right? Structure is also one type of keyword only, right? User defined data type. Okay, in that we can declare or define the number of list or number of data types or number of member. Similar we can do in enum also. Okay, so let's see, with the help of some example, we can understand more. Okay, so enum is a user defined data types. Okay, and it is also one type of keyword. Okay, enum. Okay, we have to use like see, like how a structure we are declaring. Okay, see, so a structure we are writing, right? A structure name like employee or anything. Okay, then inside we are here declaring the list of member or data types, right? Integer, character, float, we are writing that and giving semicolon. So this is the declaration of a structure, right? Similar here we are doing a structure. Okay, sorry, enum. So we have to write the keyword enum. Okay, then we have to take weekdays. Okay, inside we have to write the list of member. Okay, so in weekdays what we come? Monday, Tuesday, okay, Wednesday, Thursday, okay, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Okay, so this is the declaration of enum. Like that we can declare. Here similar, right? A structure we are taken. That is the only keyword. Or here also it is a keyword, right? Here we are given enum name. Like here how we are giving a structure name. Okay, employee. Like that we have to give weekdays. Okay, inside we are declaring the list of the number of member. Okay, so that's what the declaration of enum. Okay, so and one more things, like enum is, it will change from character to integer value, integer number. Okay, that is the main purpose of enum we are using. Okay, so we change from character to integer number, like 1 0 1 2 3, integer number only. When you suppose you want to try to give 0.5 1.7 anything in decimal, it will not take, it will take as a only integer value only. Okay, and it will change from, or it will change from name to number. Okay, so this is main purpose of enum, where we can use. Okay, suppose in weekdays there is only 7 days it will come, right? Monday to Sunday, right? So when you want to print Monday to Sunday as a number, you can use enum. You can, if you want to print the direction, there is 4 direction. Okay, south, north, west, east. Okay, and when you want to print months, okay, Jan, Feb. Okay, so that time we can use enum. Okay, and we will see later why we are using. See, micro we are also using, right? In micro we can also define. But what is the purpose of micro and what is the use of enum? What is the different? Okay, that we will see with the help of example. Here I will explain. Okay, wait. So next, see, and enum, like here I can see micro, what we are doing, h define max 40. Okay, here we are assigning value, right? Max value is 40 only, right? In micro, like that we can define, right? in enum, what we are doing, enum weekdays. Okay, here we are giving Monday. Okay, okay, we can assign one value, 0, anything. If we are not initialize any value, okay, with respect of that character, okay, then it will take by default 0. Okay, suppose you are assign some value, it will take that value only, no issue. But if you doesn't assign any value, suppose Monday, okay, Tuesday, you didn't assign any value, it will take by default. Controller will take automatically from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like that it will automatically it will take. Okay, so see, clear here, enum weekdays. Okay, slicer and Sunday. Okay, close the bracket, semicolon. So this is the declaration of the enum that in main we will write. Okay, so now write keyword week days. Okay, so here we are then create the variable anything day we will take, anything you can take. Okay, semicolon. Okay, now in days we can which character or which uh, name you want to print, that you can store. Okay, so in weekdays these are all the list of member, we can say that, right? Okay, so in weekdays this we have created here variable as a day. In day we are going to store some character. Okay, anything take, like take Wednesday. Okay, close semicolon, then print here. So then pf print percentage t, then day. Okay, close the bracket. What will the output? Okay, it will be go inside, it will check Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday we are not assigning any value here, right? Wednesday we are not given any value, right? So it will print 0, 1, 2. So the output should be, it will come 2, because as I said, when we are not going to initialize any value, then it will take from the 0 by default automatically. Okay, our integer start from 0 only, right? So it will take from there only. So, and one more things, suppose what is the previous number or character number, suppose 0, it will always add +1 when you want to print the another next character or name. Okay, suppose then 0 plus 1, it will should become again, it will 1 plus 1 2, like that it will be goes and it will be print the output. Okay, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Okay, so this is how we can write the program with the help of enumeration or enum. Okay, and one more thing, suppose, okay, suppose here we initialize some Monday equal to, okay, Monday equal to given 0. Okay, so next character or name we are not given any value, or we cannot initialize any value, then it will take from after 1 0. So 0 it will automatically, it will take from 1 2 3 4 5, like that. Okay, similar, suppose, and one more thing, I initialize here Monday equal to 5. Okay, then here we are printing Wednesday. Okay, so it will take from after 5, it's from 5 6 7, the output should be, it will come 7. Okay, so and one more things, like see, I am given Monday equal to 5, is it fine? Next I am given Wednesday equal to 10. Okay, correct? Then I'm not given any value for Thursday, I'm not initialize any value. Okay, then we are printing here Thursday. Okay, then what it should become, it should become 11, it will take 1. Okay, then output should be 1. Okay, like that we can print. And we can give the number also, like Saturday equal to 0 you can give, Sunday equal to 0. You can also print like that. It will print. If you are going to print Saturday, then it will print 0. If you are going to print Sunday, it will print 0. Like that we can do also. And as I said, we can print as the integer only, not a decimal. Suppose if you will give Saturday equal to 1.5, you are printing Saturday equal to 1.5. It will not print only. Okay, because the protocol, what protocol will say? It will print it to integer value, not a decimal value. So these things we have to keep in mind when writing the program with the help of Enum. Okay, similar. Like main concept, if you are slicing some value, when you want to print some slice value, okay, you can slice anything, no issue. Okay, but when you not want to slice any number, if you want to print, then it will take by default from 0. Okay, and suppose if you slice any value from 10, and after that you are not slicing any value, it will take from that 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, it will add on plus 1. Okay, so I hope you are relating, you are getting something. Okay, so this is basically use of Enum. Okay, and yeah, I explain all things, like we can slice 0 0 also at a time. Okay, it will print, no issue. Okay, and yeah, so let's see. In micro, let's define, okay, max equal to 40. Okay, but here we are in slice here value in max 40. Okay, it will print 40 for the character max. Okay, 40. Okay, now micro is the microscope is global. Okay, micro, it should be always global. We cannot write in the local. Okay, that is the fact or advantage of micro. Okay, but in enum we can, it's up to you. You want to use enum as a global or local, you can use. That is the different we consider. See, here I declare out of the that function, right? So that is the global. Okay, inside function we can also use. Okay, where you which one you want to use, global or local, you can use. That is the difference between the definer, sorry, micro and enum. Okay, so yeah, you can write months also like that. Okay, you can declare months, if the all months you want to print from 1 to, you know how much, 12 or 0 to 11, you can print like that. You can practice on. Okay, anything, you can write direction also, you can print. Okay, so yeah, this is the what the, I hope you are got something. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.